Have you ever looked at someone else's success and thought, they must have just gotten lucky? Maybe you've done all the right things, worked hard, followed the rules, stayed consistent, and yet you're still stuck. Meanwhile, someone else seems to find the right opportunity, the right timing, or the right shortcut. Here's the truth that most people won't tell you. Success in today's world isn't about luck. It's about positioning. It's about having access to systems that work for you, even when you're not working. It's about using leverage instead of just labor. And if you've ever felt like success is out of reach, this message is for you. Because there's a real way to get ahead that doesn't require gambling, guessing, or hoping. Let's talk about it. For decades, we've been fed the idea that success comes from either grinding it out for 40 years or getting lucky with a viral moment, a big investment, or some insider advantage. But in 2025, that's outdated. Wages are flat, costs are rising, and millions of people are working harder than ever with less and less to show for it. The new economy rewards those who adapt, those who seek smarter, not harder, those who understand how to tap into systems that do the heavy lifting, those who leverage the internet to create value and income, without traditional barriers like inventory, shipping, or sales pressure. That's where Save Club comes in. It's a digital savings platform that helps people all over the world save money on everyday expenses and pays weekly commissions to affiliates who simply share the platform with others. There's no hard selling, no recruiting requirements, no expensive products to push. You become a member for just $19.97 per month and get access to a full suite of savings on things you already buy. Groceries, gas, travel, health and wellness, entertainment, restaurants, and even local discounts in your area. And if you choose to become an affiliate, you can earn income from every person who joins through your link. You're not selling anything. You're offering people a way to save money. And in doing so, you open a door to weekly income for yourself. Most programs require you to buy physical inventory or hit sales quotas. Save Club doesn't. You're not locked into anything you don't want. The value is there whether you share it or not. But if you do share it, that's when things get exciting. You can earn 5 different ways inside Save Club: fast start commissions, matrix commissions, generational matching bonuses, annual VIP bonuses, leadership pool bonuses, and the compensation is global. That means you can build a team and customer base in over 150 countries. You're not limited by borders, product shipping zones, or local laws. Anyone, anywhere who wants to save more and earn extra income can get started. This is the kind of opportunity that used to only be available to top-level marketers or people who were early in traditional MLMs. But Save Club launched publicly in June 2025. That means you're early. You have first mover advantage. You're seeing this during the momentum phase, the time when smart marketers are locking in their positions and building the foundation of long-term income. And here's the best part. This system works for regular people. You don't need tech skills. You don't need to be good on camera. You don't need a big following. All you need to do is share your link. That's it. The company handles the presentation, the videos, the follow-up, the training, the onboarding. You're not expected to be a recruiter or presenter. You're just pointing people to a smarter way to save and earn. People love Save Club because it solves 2 very real problems. 1. Rising cost of living. People are tired of watching their paychecks shrink in value. Save Club helps them spend less. 2. Lack of real income options. Most online systems are expensive, overcomplicated, or require hard selling. Save Club doesn't, and that combination is why it's spreading so fast. Let me be real with you. Most of the time, when someone says they found a way to make money online, it ends up being either something you don't want to be part of, something too good to be true, something that takes way more time and effort than promised. Save Club isn't like that. It's simple, it's real, and it's affordable. You can join as a member, save money immediately, and if you want, start earning weekly by becoming an affiliate. And if you decide it's not for you, you're not out hundreds of dollars. You don't have inventory sitting in your garage. You haven't lost your time or dignity trying to push overpriced products. That's what makes this so different. This is built for regular people who want an honest way to get ahead, without begging, bothering, or burning out. And yes, people are already seeing results. College students, retirees, parents, gig workers, even small business owners are using Save Club to create extra weekly income just by sharing a simple savings platform. Some use it to cover gas, others use it to pay for groceries, some have grown it into a full-time income. You get out what you put in, but the barrier to entry is so low that it makes sense for almost anyone. If you've ever said, I just need something simple that works, this is it. If you've ever said, I want something I can do from home, on my own time, this is it. If you've ever said, I don't want to talk to strangers or pressure people, this is it. You're not late. You're right on time. This is still the beginning. So here's your next step. Take the free tour. There's a link below where you can watch a short video that explains exactly how everything works. No hype, no pressure, just a walkthrough of what's inside, how it pays, and how you can get started. You'll see why people from all over the world are joining. You'll see the savings, you'll see the income plan, and you'll be able to decide if this is something that fits your goals and values. Because let's face it, doing nothing will only keep you in the same place. But saying yes to a simple, low-cost system like this could completely change your financial direction. Success isn't about luck, it's about access. And now you have access to something real. Don't let another year go by watching other people win while you stay stuck. Click the link below and take the free tour. It just might be the smartest decision you make this year.